Hello everyone, my name is Olga Van Light and today we are going to make some crushed ice with Hawaiian ice. And yes guys, we just received also the fun pack with 3 flavors, so we'll be able to definitely use it at parties. So I would like to definitely pre-game with you and see exactly what's inside. As you can see, there are straws that are also spoons, as well as grape flavored syrup, as well as cherry flavored, and also guys classic blue raspberry. Also you can see it comes with these pourers on top that I'm going to connect now, as well as this fun pack of cones. So yes guys, let's definitely experiment together and try out the fun pack as well. And yes, I feel like the cones are definitely great. They're disposable and there is 25 of them included in the package. And yes guys, let's open up our syrups. And yes, they actually come with these cups on top. So let me actually open them up as well. And basically securely I just have to, these are definitely very well packaged. So I'm just going to create a hole and push them nozzle in. I should have grabbed my scissors. All right. So basically pushing this dispenser in after, of course, I fully removed this. I believe that's a great idea. All right. And yes, guys, make sure to put a little bit of the power in it. And yes, it is now on. And it actually smells delicious. All right, one is done. Let's do another one. All right, just basically opening them up. I really like how very well packaged they are. And yes, with a knife it's much easier. I kind of got the grip now. And yes, it smells amazing, kind of like summer in a bottle. And yes guys, super excited to shave some ice. And the Hawaiian ice machine actually comes with the molds for your ice, but I'm just going to be using ice cubes. What I've noticed, when you use it with a mold that's actually already included, it actually a little bit more durable. So yes guys, let's start the party. All right, so basically it consists of 3 pieces like this, and the shaver is inside as well as on top, and all you have to do is put some ice inside and press the button. So that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. Then you don't have to overfill it, just put a decent amount of ice. And yes guys, all I have to do is just to place it on top and plug it in. All right, let's get the party started. So basically it's already melted all the ice that I added, so I'm just going to add a little more. And again, it's not melting, it's actually grinding it. Okay. So yes guys, I'm quite satisfied. Look what amount is actually grinded very fast. And yes, I should probably have a spoon to basically put it in a cone. All right, let's do it. So just basically taking this ice, placing it in a cone, and imagine doing it at a party with your kids, their friends, and so on. It's definitely going to be a lot of fun. And yes, you can create a cone on top or not. And yes, let's see. Ooh, I feel like professional ice cream maker. And yes guys, grape and cherry, as well as of course raspberry. And yes, it's kind of like cotton candy. And yes, guys, let's see how it tastes. This is so delicious and so much fun. But I actually can use the straws that are included as well to see exactly how it works. All right. So delicious. I'm probably going to make it every day. So yes, guys, definitely great fun package. Cannot wait to finish it.